Hello. 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 Oh my gosh. Minka. How did I get so old? Do you want to be on camera? Hello. Say hello. Say roof, 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 roof. Roof. Ow. Come up here. Do I look weird? I look very weird. All right. I don't know how to do this. How do people do this and jump around? My gym teacher does this all the time. How does she do it? I don't know. Oops. There's the old epic. What is it saying? Hello, welcome. Okay, here we are again. Okay, so you are a teacher and you have wandered across my channel and you're thinking, what is this woman talking about? You do realize that if you have seen some of my videos, I record with two crazy dogs, Bear and Minka. And if you hold on 1 second, I will go ahead and get them in the shot. So just wait 1 second. Is it still recording? Okay. Hi. Oh. Good thing I lift weights. Oh. This is why I lift, people. Okay. Oops. There goes the mic. Okay. Hello. Okay, so I record with Minka, the Malamute, and Bear, the Bernese Mountain Dog. Yay! Okay, let's see if we can get a better shot over here. So come here, Minka. Come here. Did I scratch the floor? Come here, Minka. Oh, you guys are so smelly. Whoa. I don't think you can see the dogs. Okay, so I record with two crazy dogs. Welcome back to my channel. So I record with two crazy dogs.